the S Pen will eventually return to the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, but before you get too excited, Samsung is charging more for it. That's only the start of the story. The S Pen has returned. It completely ignored the Fold 7 and is now making a comeback with the Fold 8 Ultra. Everyone should benefit from that, but Samsung is limiting it to the Ultra model. It is beyond the capabilities of the ordinary Fold 8. It also lacks the 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. That's also quite exclusive. Therefore, you are already spending flagship money if you get the standard Fold 8, and you are still missing Samsung's most talked about feature. Samsung is purposefully making a distinction between the two versions. Although it's a wise financial decision, devoted Fold fans who have been asking for the S Pen's return ever since it was taken out of the Fold find it challenging. Additionally, the display upgrade is enormous. According to reports, Samsung is increasing the inside screen to 500 ppi, which will ultimately put it online with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This update has long been desired by Fold buyers. It is said that the peak brightness reached 3,600 nits. The cover display measures about 6.5 inches. The inside display is up to 8 inches. The crease is reportedly much shallower than it was previously, and both are operating at 120 Hz OLED. Another long overdue repair is the battery. The Z Fold 7 maintained the Fold 6's 4,400 mAh cell. With wired charging increased from 25 to 45 watts and wireless charging at 15 watts, the Z Fold 8 Ultra boosts battery capacity to 5,000 mAh. Additionally, the body remains 215 g while becoming significantly slimmer, 4.1 mm unfolded versus 4.2 mm. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy powers the device's internal components. There are 3 cameras. A 200-megapixel primary lens, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom are all part of the camera system. 12GB or 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage are available. It comes in 4 colors, cream, gray, green shadow, and violet shadow, and launches on Android 16 with One UI 9. This is why the S Pen gatekeeping is much more important at this time. The foldable iPhone from Apple is getting closer. For a few generations, Chinese competitors like Honor and Oppo have been superior in terms of thinness and charging. Samsung is engaged in simultaneous combat on several fronts. Samsung's two-tiered strategy may end up costing it more goodwill than it saves in profit if Apple releases a single, clean foldable with no features divided across tiers. The true danger here is that it appears that the Fold 8 Ultra will be the greatest fold Samsung has ever produced. Larger battery, quicker charging, sharper screen, and yes, the S Pen is back. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.